Anybody ever call you a couch potato? That's because potatoes and you have something similar about your body chemistry. Right here, this thing is called your liver. The job of the liver is to detoxify poisons in your body. There's something about the chemistry of your liver that's similar to the chemistry of a potato. They both have a chemical called catalase, and its job is to react with hydrogen peroxide. Its formula is H2O2. Sounds a lot like H2O for water, only hydrogen peroxide is a poison. Your body makes that poison as an accidental byproduct of respiration, the way that you get energy out of your food. Take a look at this liver right here. This is from a chicken. I'm going to pour some of this hydrogen peroxide onto the chicken liver. Watch what happens. Oh, nasty. Look, it's getting all fizzy and bubbly. That's because there's an enzyme, a molecule in the liver that reacts with the hydrogen peroxide and turns it into safe water and oxygen. Potatoes also have that same chemistry. They have catalase in them as well. And what we're going to do is a little experiment that looks at what happens when you change the temperature of the chemistry of this catalase enzyme. So when you go back to the lab bench, here's what you'll find. There's a hot plate with some hot water, a couple test tubes, and I'll give you a couple raw French fries to put into the test tubes. And then take some water and fill the test tubes with the plain water. Now one of the test tubes we're just going to leave out, and the other one we're going to fill with water and put into the boiling water on the hot plate for about 5 minutes or so until that gets as hot as the water in the boiling beaker. After this has been sitting for about 5 minutes, then what we'll do is we'll take this out and we'll take both of the tubes and we'll pour them into the sink. Don't pour out the potato, keep the potato in the test tube. So I'm going to pour these both out, and then into each one I'm going to pour the hydrogen peroxide to see which one reacts more. Now one of them has been sitting at room temperature, which is cooler, and the other one is coming out of a hot boiling water bath, so this one's hotter, a higher temperature and a lower temperature. And you should predict, think in your head, what you think is going to happen to that reaction. Which one of these is going to react more, which one is going to react less, and why. And when you're all done, these can get poured into the sink and the potato pieces can get thrown in the trash.